Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Kraken for API-driven notifications, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. To authorize with Kraken for API-driven notifications, first, visit the Kraken website. Log in to your Kraken account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the API section of your account settings. Select the option to create a new API key. In the API key creation menu, specify the permissions needed for your notifications. For notifications, ensure you enable both query funds and query open orders. You may also need to enable add/modify. After selecting the necessary permissions, click on the button to generate the new API key. Once the key is generated, make sure to securely copy the API key and the API secret. Store these credentials in a safe location, as they will be required for your application. Now, open your API client or development environment. Input the API key and secret into the designated fields within your application. If necessary, set the API endpoint for Kraken in your environment. Test the connection to ensure that your application can communicate with Kraken. For notifications, verify that you have implemented the correct webhooks or polling mechanisms. Monitor the API responses to confirm that notifications are being delivered as expected. Keep your API key secure and rotate it periodically for enhanced security. Document the process for future reference or for team members who may need access. With these steps completed, your system should be successfully authorized for API-driven notifications from Kraken. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.